31. There are 4 causes of infidelity and loss of belief in Allah: hankering after whims, a passion to dispute every other, deviation from truth, and dissension, because whoever hankers after whims does not incline towards truth. Whoever keeps on disputing every argument on account of his ignorance will always remain blind to truth. Whoever deviates from truth, ignorance, will always take good for evil and evil for good, and he will always remain intoxicated with misguidance. And whoever makes a breach with Allah and His Messenger, his path becomes difficult, his affairs will become complicated, and his way to salvation will be uncertain. Similarly, doubt has also 4 aspects: absurd reasoning, fear, vacillation and hesitation, and unbearable surrender to infidelity. Because one who has accustomed himself to unreasonable and absurd discussions will never see the light of truth and will always live in the darkness of ignorance. One who is afraid to face facts of life, death, and the life after death will always turn away from ultimate reality. One who allows doubts and uncertainties to vacillate him will always be under the control of Satan. And one who surrenders himself to infidelity accepts damnation in both the worlds. 32. A virtuous person is better than virtue, and a vicious person is worse than vice. 33. Be generous but not extravagant. Be frugal but not miserly. 34. The best kind of wealth is to give up inordinate desires. 35. One who says unpleasant things about others will himself quickly become a target of their scandal. 36. One who hopes inordinately impairs his deeds. 37. When Imam Ali, marching at the head of his army towards Syria, reached Amba, the landlords of the palace came out to meet him. In zeal of their love, faithfulness, and respect, no sooner had they seen Imam Ali than they got down from their horses and started running in front of him. Imam Ali asked the reason of their strange act. They replied that it was their custom to show their love and respect in that way. Imam Ali replied, "By Allah, by your action you do no good whatsoever to your rulers, but you tire yourself and put yourself in toils in this world, in trouble in the next. How unfortunate is that exertion which brings harm here and in the hereafter, and how useful is that ease which keeps you in comfort in this world and away from the hell in the next." 38. Imam Ali once said to his son, Imam Hassan, "My son, learn 4 things from me, and through them you will learn 4 more. If you keep them in mind, your actions will not bring any harm to you. The greatest wealth is wisdom. The greatest poverty is stupidity. The worst unsociableness is that of vanity and self-glorification. And the best nobility of decent exhibits itself in politeness and in refinement of manner. The next 4 things, my son, are: do not make friendship with a fool, because when he will try to do you good, he will do you harm. Do not make a miser your friend, because he will run away from you at the time of your dire deed. Do not be friendly with a vicious and wicked person, because he will sell you and your friendship at the cheapest price. And do not make a liar, because like a mirage, he will make you visualize very near the things which lie at a greatest distance, and will make you see at the great distance to things which are near to you. 39. Prayers cannot attain the pleasures of Allah for you when obligatory prayers are left unattended. 40. A wise man first thinks and then speaks, and a fool speaks first and then thinks.